So I got a Cobra 2-in-1, but I didn't like the way that the Cobra exhaust came out by the back tire, so cut and welded the Y, added an extension and an adapter to accept a Harley can. Still have to get the hardware that's coming in today from Amazon, and welded my bag bracket to accept the Harley isolator. So that is a 4-inch RCX Harley touring muffler, and you can see that it extends further back, which is what I wanted. It's got the Gatling tip on it, so yeah, let you guys hear it right quick. Oh yeah. There it is. Sounds and looks pretty cool. Pretty happy with how that turned out. So, yep, not too bad for some idiot with a vision, I guess. Hope you guys enjoy. Looking forward to getting this thing out on the road.